This is FlipTV. Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu has hosted members of the Progressive Governors Forum alongside key APC stakeholders in a high-level meeting held in Lagos. The gathering brought together governors elected on the platform of the All Progressive Congress, party leaders and senior stakeholders to discuss national development, party cohesion and strategies ahead of major political engagement. Governor Sanwo-Olu emphasized unity, stability, and continued collaboration among APC-controlled states, noting that collective governance remains crucial for delivering progress across Nigeria. The meeting also provided an opportunity for governors to review ongoing national challenges, share policy solutions, and strengthen coordination between state and federal governments. Stakeholders praised the Lagos governor for hosting the forum and reaffirmed their commitment to advancing the party's agenda for good governance, economic growth, and national security. Stay tuned to FlipTV for more political updates.